Okay, this morning we've got a flow hive, and at the moment it is queenless. So we're going to split that box open. Got a new queen to go in. There it is here in the queen cage. Sits in the hive in that position that way so that the worker bees can still access the candy up where my fingers are, but if one of them does die, it doesn't block that entry up so that the queen can't get out once that candy's been eaten. Basically it has a time frame of eating that candy through, allows the pheromones of that queen to get through our hive so the rest of the bees can get used to that smell. So once that queen appears, the working bees in that hive, well, hopefully doesn't kill the new queen. So let's get into it. We'll split that hive, get back to you in a minute. Right, we've got the hive open on the flow hive stand that you can purchase with these hives. Makes life a lot easier when you're tilting the flow part of your hive backwards. That would probably weigh close to 15-20 kilos, I guess, but getting it off's not so bad. It's trying to get them on so we don't squash these bees. Give it a little bit of smoke with the smoker, calm these bees down. Alright, we'll get that one of those frames out, have a look, confirm that there's definitely no queen in there, and then we'll place the new queen cage in. We have a small predicament. It seems we have a queen in our hive. It's a new queen, and where is she? There she is there, right in the middle. I know it's a new queen because the original queen had a dot on its back, and that one there is a brand new one. So the predicament is I have a new queen for this hive, but this hive has successfully created their own queen. So we're here, hive open, frame on the side with the queen on it, and we're lucky enough to have another flow hive. So what we're going to do is split our hive, put some bees in there, put the new queen with this one, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they will have their hive up and running in a few weeks.
How exciting.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, what we've done, removed some frames out of our hive. Queen is still on this frame on the outside of our hive. Transferred some frames into this hive, and now we'll insert the queen in the middle, and that one can be boxed up and sent on its merry way to its new house. Okay, so we slowly, gently open this frame up, get the bees out of the way. Where they be? We'll open that up, make sure our opening at this end is sitting high, without dropping it, of course.
You're right, look at them all gravitating there.
And now we will sandwich that in between the other frames.
So you were saying before that they're attacking it?
Well, they'll group around that now because they're not used to that smell of this queen.
Yeah.
And they want to know
what's going on,
basically. How come we've got another queen in our hive? Let's get it.
That is hilarious, isn't it? Look at them.
We've got our spacing either side quite equal.
Yeah.
And that
is
ready to go.
Is a wrap. Nicely done.
That. Now we're at the final location of hive location, ready to go. Got the plate on there at the front. I'll zoom in a little bit because there is another hive nearby that's up in the tree, and we've put that on there until this hive gets strong enough to defend itself, just so we don't have any robbing happening. But there we go, ready to go. Super will go on in a few minutes and the honey will start to flow.